Okay, since you guys has import your data set, so we have to find out what is the data set, what is the variable names, and also with the informations. So you may find this one. So when we import the data set, we assign a data frame name as df. So the data frame name, so right now is df. So with the df, you may use this instruction ship. So you may find the dimension for your data set. So here we also have the same instruction here. So you may have a new comment here for df shape ship. It will tell you the dimension for your data set. Also, you can have head to check the first 5 records of your data set. So what is head mean? The first 5 records for your data set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because the Python index is from 0. Start from 0. So the first one is the customer's ID, which is BU797A6. This one, the customer ID. So you may see the first 5 records of your data set. The first column I have mentioned is customer's ID, and the second is the state, which the customers in the Washington state. Customer's lifetime value for the first column, for the first customers. Did he renew the insurance? No. So the response for the first one is no. The customer didn't renew his insurance. The coverage for car insurance, basic, extended, premier. Okay, so you can see the rest of the columns in this format. Okay, so you have to keep in mind ship is to X the dimension for your data set. What is the head? The first 5 lines for your records. Also, you can use this one, df tail. What is tail? 尾巴. The last 5 records for your data set, tail. It will show the last 5 records for your data set. It's the last one. The index is 9133. Okay, so you may find this guy, this one. The response for these customers is yes. It means this customer renew his auto insurance. Is it clear? Okay, so let us go back to our class here. So you know the functions for ship, head. Also, you can name how many observations you are going to show. You just use n equal to 10. It will show 10 records of your data set. df head n equal to 15. Please show me the first 15 records. Sorry, head head. The first 15 records. Okay, so we also can use describe this function to show the status, the summarize for your data. Describe df dataset describe DESC, so it will automatically spell the comments for you. Data describe, don't forget this one. It will show you the numericals data. The lifetime, customer lifetime is a numerical data type, 数值型. So it will tell you how many count more than 1,000 records. So the mean for the customer life value is 8,000. What is the maximum customer lifetime value? This one. 83,000 8万多美金. Also, you can see the income for all customers. Minimum income is 0. Didn't have any income. What is the mean? Mean is average. The average income for these 9,000 customers is almost 4,000 US dollars for their income. Okay, so you may see this one, total claim amount. The claim amount for the car insurance. So the mean total claim amount is $400. What is the maximum total claim amount? Is 2,800 for the maximum. Okay, so you know these instructions. Describe. It will show some information for your data. Describe include all, so it will show you all the data, include the category data. Okay, so this one, describe only show the numericals data. If you have include all types of the columns, it will show even with the category variables. What is NA mean? It's not available. Okay, so it's with objects. It's okay. Okay, so if we want to show the column name for our data set, so you may use df columns. Okay, right now it's initial again. Okay, so you may find here name df is not found, because if you have time out, if you start your section again, so you have to reload your data again. Sorry, so let me see what's wrong with this one. Okay, let me check. Drivers, my drive right now is okay. So let me see. Oh, this one. You have to import the function. Okay? Because right now we are using the platform in the cloud. If you have time out for a certain times, you have to restart your connection. And also you have to rerun all your source code. Okay, so right now should be okay. DF. It will show all the columns label for your data frame, like customer, state, all the way to vertical side. How many columns? 24 columns for this data set. Also, you can use a list to list all the variables name for your guys. Okay, 24 variables. Okay, so also you can use D types to return the data type for each columns. So for the first variable customer, it is object. What is object mean? It's character as a factor. So for customer lifetime value is a floating point. Floating point we call numerical 数值型, like integers, continuous variables. Income is int. What does int mean? 整数, integer. So these 5 variables are integer data type. Monthly primary autos is a monthly pay for their car insurance. Okay, so you have basic information for our data set. So you have to keep in mind all these comments. D type, columns, describe, include all, describe, head, tail, ship. Okay, so it's your turn to make exercise.